Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool refrigerator ice container. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new ice container. The ice container is located in the freezer and it's what holds all your ice cubes. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's cracked or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Now that we have the freezer door open, we can get the ice door out of the way. All you have to do is lift it up and slide it back. Then we can lift the ice arm up, turn it off so it doesn't get hit by the bucket when we pull it out. To get the bucket out, we're just going to lift up on it and then pull it all the way out. Now that we have the assembly out of the freezer, we can set it down on a towel so we can work on it without damaging anything. Then we're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver to take out all the screws that holds the ice container on. Once you have those three out, we can spin the assembly around so we can take out these that go all the way around the edge. Now we can remove the screw that holds the connecting rod to the back of the ice container. Once you have the rod off, we can lift the ice container off the assembly. Once you have the ice container off, you can separate the two pieces. Here's the old ice container next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the ice container in, you want to look and see if it has 2 holes or 3 holes. If you have the newer style ice container, you only have 2 holes. If you have the older one like we do, it actually had 3 screws in it. They're selling the new container, so what we're going to do is put a screw hole in there so we can attach it to the auger assembly. First thing we're going to do is lift it up and set it down onto the auger. And we want to make sure everything's lined up. Once you have the container lined up on the housing assembly, you may have to move the auger assembly around to get the holes to line up. Once you have those 2 holes lined up, then we're just going to make a little dot on the new ice container so we can drill a hole. We're just going to use a 3/16 drill bit. And we're going to lift the ice container off and drill it into a piece of wood so we don't damage the container. Once you have the hole drilled, we can get rid of the wood block. Now we're just going to set the new ice container onto the auger assembly. We're going to use our 1/4-inch nut driver to put all the screws in. Now we can turn the ice container assembly around and put all the screws in the backside. Now we can put the connecting rod back on. All you have to do is slide the spring up. If your bracket fell off, you want to put it on the rod and turn it so it lines up with the screw hole and the screw hole on the container. And then you want to make sure that the other end hooks over right here. And then we can use the 1/4" nut driver to put the screw in. Once you have the bracket on, we have to take the spring and wrap it one more time around the rod so we have some tension on it. Once you have it hooked on the bar, the connector rod should move freely back and forth. Once you're sure the rod moves freely, we can put the assembly back into the freezer. To put the ice container in, all you have to do is line it up on the rails and push it all the way back in. Once you have it all the way in, you can turn the ice maker on and then pull the ice door closed. Then we can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.